Let's be honest, someday is the biggest con we've ever sold ourselves. It sounds harmless. I'll start when the timing's right. But here's the plot twist. The timing is never right. There is no magical alignment of planets where your alarm rings, your motivation is at 100%, your inbox is empty, and your favorite hoodie is clean. Life doesn't wait for you to be ready. It barely waits at all. So here's a radical thought. What if today is your first day? Not just the first day of a new habit. Not just the start of a goal, but the first day of the version of you that stops negotiating with fear, stops asking permission to be great, and stops waiting for a green light that only you can give. You don't need a new calendar year, you need a new mindset, and the best news, you don't have to climb a mountain today, you just have to start walking. Starting is terrifying. Let's not sugarcoat it. You will feel awkward, you might fail, you will be judged, sometimes by others, more often by yourself. Your brain will give you all the reasons why it's safer to wait. It'll whisper things like, "You're not ready," or "What if people laugh?" Let me tell you something real. Everyone you admire, everyone who's done something meaningful, had a first day too. And I guarantee you, it wasn't glamorous. It probably looked like trying to work out and nearly passing out halfway through the warm-up. It looked like recording a video and deleting it 15 times. Like getting ignored, rejected, or doubted. Your first day might suck, but that's the beauty of it. It means you've started. And in case you're wondering, yes, it will be uncomfortable. That's how you know it's working. Growth never happens in your comfort zone. Your comfort zone is basically a beanbag chair for your potential. Soft, safe, and slowly turning you into a version of yourself you won't be proud of. Here's the joke of it all. People will say, "Don't start unless you're ready." But when were you ever truly ready for the biggest things in your life? Were you ready for heartbreak, for change, for growing up? Of course not. You just did it. You adapted, and that's your superpower. I get it. You might be listening to this thinking, "Yeah, but you don't know what I'm carrying." And you're right. I don't know what your past looks like. I don't know what you've been through. But I do know this. The fact that you're here, breathing, listening, means there's more ahead for you than behind you. Some days feel heavy. Some of us carry invisible backpacks filled with self-doubt, fear, regrets, and what-ifs. But the beauty of a first day? It's a chance to put that bag down. You don't have to throw it out, just stop letting it slow you down. There's a version of you that exists beyond this moment, stronger, kinder, focused, fulfilled, but you'll never meet them if you keep standing at the starting line wondering if your shoes are tied perfectly. Spoiler alert, nobody else is running this race for you. And honestly, most people are too busy tripping over their own shoelaces to notice yours. Let's talk about the fear of looking stupid. That one hits deep, doesn't it? We'd rather stay stuck than risk someone laughing at us. But newsflash, most people are too busy worrying about their own lives to even notice yours. And the few who do laugh, they're not on your level. Don't take directions from people who've never been where you're going. You know what looks way dumber than trying and failing? Never trying at all. We're so afraid of being bad at something new that we forget it's impossible to be good without being bad first. It's like refusing to go to the gym because you're not strong yet. That's the whole point of going. So if you trip, laugh at yourself. If you fumble, get up. If you forget your lines, make new ones. This isn't a performance, it's real life, and real life is messy, unpredictable, and beautifully imperfect. Today isn't just any day. It's not Tuesday. It's not just another morning. It's your first day, and that's powerful. You're not starting from scratch. You're starting from experience, from pain, from resilience, from hope, from every scar and every smile that brought you here. Let today be the day you stop running in circles and finally take one real step forward. Let it be the day you quit telling your story like a tragedy and start living it like a comeback. Let it be the day you stop doubting and start building. You owe it to the future version of you, the one who's going to look back and say, that was the day everything changed. So here's your permission slip, not that you ever needed one. Take a deep breath, square your shoulders, smile at the fear. It's nervous because it knows it's losing, and walk into this day like it's your first day alive, because in many ways it is. And if no one told you today, I believe in you. Not because of some motivational fluff, but because I know what happens when people stop waiting and start doing. This is your moment. You're beginning your first day. Now go make it count.